Right, so this time we're on, this is the last of the repairs from our mystery benefactor Alan, so we'll get these back to him Friday or Saturday. Midland 77 104D UK, which is the inferior one to the non-D UK, if you can understand that. So if it doesn't say, if it says channel 9, it's the UK. If it doesn't say channel 9 on the rotary switch, it's the DUK. So it boots up on channel 9, which is annoying, but it is inferior on receive. So let's go to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my squeaker in.
Oh, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
And this radio doesn't have a tone control.
Oh, roger that.
And we've got the factory original mic.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that. I don't know what the time is. Would you care to tell me that, please?
Yeah, it's just gone 20 past 7.
Roger, can we spot that now? Normal time.
Roger. Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Excellent. Got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
We've got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On a Midland CB27 UK. It belongs to our Mr. Benefactor Alan. And it's been 44 outward over.
Yep, roger on all that. Well received.
Excellent. Level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you. Quite loud and clear at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Okay, 21 for Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so I'm on this Midland 17104D UK, which is based in Midland, and I'm on the factory original microphone. It's doing a full 4 watt output, showing 890 milliamps. We'll go up to a low power, and low power is 210 milliwatts on this set. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power, doing 210 milliwatts and drawing 370 milliamps. Go back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. You were well received on both.
Once again, you've got the waterlogged field, which is improving propagation.
Roger that.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 139.9, 148.9.
Excellent, right, well that was an absolute treat. That's the end of the test over.
Yep, roger that, 10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 139.9, 148.9.
Excellent. Right, well that was an absolute treat. That's the end of the test. Over.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
10-10, thank you. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Right, we'll go to our Midland base station, see what it sounds like.
Okay, 21, testing the Midland 77104D UK with the factory original mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.